Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Clipboard settings directly. Press Windows key plus V and view the list. Once the panel appears, sign into your Microsoft account if asked, because signed data may sync to the cloud. You should then open settings from the panel and locate Clipboard options. Make sure to toggle Clipboard history on only to view items, and toggle sync across devices off now, so subsequent clearing removes local entries without immediate resync. Now, clear the local entries. Select Clear All in the Windows key plus V panel to remove listed items immediately. If you prefer settings, go to Settings System Clipboard and press Clear under Clipboard Data. This fully deletes stored snippets. Once done, close the panel and restart it with Windows key plus V, because a quick restart forces the Clipboard service to refresh and prevents ghost entries from reappearing when you copy new items. Finish by removing cloud copies. With sync turned off, open your Microsoft Account Privacy dashboard or use settings to clear cloud Clipboard data. This ensures items removed locally don't reappear. If problems persist, sign out of the account on that device or remove the device from account devices to sever sync. Finally, reboot the PC and verify Clipboard history is empty. If entries reappear, make sure another device isn't syncing. Disable sync there or temporarily sign out to troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.